Welcome. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for a group chat on WhatsApp. This is an updated method to help you quickly access your favorite group conversations right from your phone's home screen. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Ensure you have the latest version installed to access the most recent features and improvements. Next, go to the specific group chat for which you want to create a shortcut. This should be the chat you frequently use and want quick access to. Now, look at the top right corner of the chat screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these to open additional options. From the Options menu, tap More. This will open a submenu with extra settings and options. Within the More submenu, you'll find the Add Shortcut option. Tap it to create a shortcut for your selected group chat. After you tap this option, WhatsApp will add the shortcut to your home screen. A shortcut icon displaying the group's profile picture will instantly appear on your home screen. You can then drag and drop the shortcut to your preferred spot on the screen for easy access or organize it into a folder. And that's it. You've successfully created a shortcut for a WhatsApp group chat. This allows you to jump directly into your group conversations with just a single tap on your home screen, saving you time and effort.